Hello, scholars. I'm here to go over a couple of challenge problems that are going to be on today's slideshow. So, just for a reminder's sake, we need to know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot and 3 feet in 1 yard. So the challenge questions that are in today's homework are like this. Let's say we have 123 inches. You need to convert that into how many yards, how many feet, how many inches. Okay, so first we're going to see how many feet are in 123 inches. We know there are 12 inches in 1 foot, excuse me. So to find out how many feet we have, we're going to take 123, we're going to divide it by 12. 12 goes into 12 once. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 goes into 0 0 times. 12 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Drop the 3. We can't do anything else, so we have 10, remainder 3. Okay, so this remainder here is going to be our inches. We have 3 inches left over, but we're not done with this part yet because we have 10 feet. Right? We know that 3 feet are in 1 yard, so we've already done that. But we're going to take 10 and we're going to divide it by 3, okay, to find the feet, or to find the yards, excuse me. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, so we have 3 yards. The remainder is going to be the feet, and the first remainder is the inches. So 123 inches is 3 yards, 1 foot, 3 inches. Let's do it together one more time, and then I'm going to give you 2 to do on your own. Okay, this one is going to be a little trickier. Let's do 203 inches is how many yards, how many feet, how many inches. Okay. So we start off by finding the feet, right? So we take 123 and we divide it by 12. Excuse me, 203 and we divide it by 12. 203 divided by 12. 12 goes into 20 once. 12 times 1 is 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. We drop the 3. Ooh, how many times is 12 going to 83? Let's use our guess and check strategy. So I'm going to say I think it goes in 7 times. 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. No, not 7 times. Too many. All right, guess and check. Here we go. And 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6. And 72. Okay, so it goes in 6 times. 12 times 6 is 72. 83 minus 72 is 9. Okay, so we have a remainder 9. And that is our inches. Okay, 9. Now we're done with that. Now we have this 16 to deal with. We need to see how many yards are in 16 feet. 16 divided by 3. 3 goes into 16. How many times is that going over? 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. So we have 5 yards, 1 foot, 9 inches. All right. I'm going to give you 2 more to work on independently, and then we're going to go over them together. Okay. Here you go. I'm going to make them really tricky. 316 inches is how many yards, how many feet, how many inches. Then I want you to do 412 inches is how many yards, how many feet, how many inches. All right, pause your device and do it by yourself right now, and then we'll go over it. All right, welcome back, scholars. Let's go over what we found. So we know that first we need to find the feet. Okay, and that gives us the inches. And then we need to find the yards. Okay, so first we start off by finding the feet. 316 divided by 12. 12 goes into 31 twice without going over. 12 times 2 is 24. 31 minus 24 is 7. Drop the 6. 12 goes into 76. How many times without going over? 6. 12 times 6. Let's do a double check on that. 6 is 12. It's 72. 76 minus 72 is 4. So we have remainder 4. 26 remainder 4. And that gives us our inches. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. Our answer was 26. So we had 26 feet, 4 inches. So we know what the inches are. Now we need to work with this 26. To find how many yards are in 26 feet, we have to divide 26 by 3. 3 goes into 26. How many times without going over? 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. Can't do anything else. So you have 8 remainder 2. 8 yards. The remainder is the feet. And we already found our inches. So the answer is 8 yards, 2 feet, 4 inches. All right, now let's try this 412 inches here. Make sure you can see where I'm working. And you can. Great. Okay, so we need to find the feet first. Okay, so we do 412 divided by 12. 12 goes into 41 3 times without going over. 12 times 3 is 36. 41 minus 36 is 5. We drop the 2. 12 goes into 52 4 times without going over. 12 times 4 is 48. 52 minus 48 is 4. So 4 inches. Our remainder is the 4 inches. Okay, now, next we have to deal with this 34. Okay, you might already know how many yards are in 34, right? If we take 34 and divide it by 3, we know that 3 goes into 34 10 times, which is 30, and then we have a remainder of 4. So our answer would be 10 yards, 4 feet, 4 inches. Okay, I hope this helped you all. Good luck on your homework, and make sure you review all of your information on inches, feet, and yards for your quiz tomorrow. Bye.